WW sort 22, the short and long I sounds. So we have some very interesting looking headers here. Over here we have I with a little curved line above it. That means short. Vowels can be called short or long. The short is the sound that we usually say that letter makes. The I is a short. Over here we have a long I, and that's when the vowel says its name. I. You hear I in the word. This long vowel, the words we're going to sort here have the pattern CVC, which means consonant, vowel, consonant, and then a silent E. Over here, we have the spelling IGH to be the long I sound, and it has the pattern vowel, consonant, consonant. Lastly, we have Y equals long I in VC words. CV words. So a Y sounds like a long I, and there's a consonant vowel. So our keywords, might, we have IGH, I-t. There's really only 3 sounds in that word. I-t, but the I is spelled IGH. Quick, we hear a I sound, and then CK. If you have a short vowel and then you hear a K sound, it's spelled CK. Y, we see a Y, but we hear an I, so we put that here. White, we have a I with a silent E, and that's a long I. We put it here. High, and this is a homophone for the high, like hello, and this is high, like up high. Night, twice, quite. Whenever you hear a qu, spell it with a U too. The Q and the U go together. They go qu, like a KW, qu, qu, quite. Cry, bright, sky, quit. Oh, there's another Q with a U. Quit, short I sound. Fight, fly, flight, sight, fine, try. Now this word is a very interesting word. This is called not a homograph. It's called a homophone. It's called a homograph. Homograph. Homo means same, and graph means the spelling. Same spelling, but it has 2 different ways to say it. We could say this is live, or we could say this is live. Look, it's live on TV, or I live in my house. They're spelled the same. So depending on how you say it, it either goes here as live, or it would be an oddball as live. I'm just going to put it here with our silent E's. Right, and this is the homophone to right. Homophone, that means same sound. The phone means sound. So it has the same sound, but its homophone has a different spelling. Sigh, shy, and here's its homophone. Homophone means same sound. These have the same sound, but they have a different meaning, a different spelling. We will write them differently. So over here we see short I, quick, and quit. We have one way to make the long I sound with the silent E, and we have another way to make the long I sound using IGH, and that's a very common pattern. Make sure you learn which ones those are, and many of them you can see end with the T sound. So that's one clue that it's supposed to be spelled IGH. Now we have a row of pretty short words that have Y at the end. So sometimes when you hear I at the end of a word, in fact, most of the time when you hear I at the end of a word, it's really spelled with an Y. And before we go, please note the digraph SH. A digraph is two letters. The di means two. Two letters makes one sound. Shy. And in fact, the WH is actually a digraph as well with the wh, wh. When you say the WH correctly, you actually get a puff of air coming out of your mouth. These ones are two letters that go together. They kind of blend together, don't they? They are blends. Try, fly, sky, and cry.